Okay, in this video I'm going to show you inside of Birdsend and how you can keep adding to your email sequences. So down the navigation here you've got the email, so click on that to start with, and then at the top there is one here called automation. And we've got a sequence that's been started under Legendary Marketer, so let's just open that up. And here you'll see that on the right hand side is where the sequence will actually be added to. So there's two emails already in here, and you'll see that as you hover over this three lines, it gives you an arrow that you could move the emails around if you wish to. But right now we're just going to click on new email, and then it's just a slightly different color. It goes from white to pale gray, and we can actually start in here, and it says this email will be sent, and we're going to go 2 days later because this one's going out immediately. That one's a day after previous, and now it's 2 days after previous. Actually, no, we're going to go back to 1 day. So this will be daily emails. So every autoresponder is different in how you actually set this up. So we'll just scroll down. We've got a subject line here, so let's grab the subject line, put that in there, and then the body of the email. I've actually already used the shortcode for Birdsend, which is this particular one here. That gets given to you on a new email. So let's just quickly have a look here, make sure we've got no links to pop in. And we do want to have another link in here, so let's create a PS. So when you put your link in, you can come up here to the link section and just insert the actual URL. And I usually check it to be open in a new tab and insert so it turns blue from there. If you're wanting to add an image, you can click on image. You can either create an image from a URL file or uploading it from your computer. The image can actually have a link on there as well. So if I was to choose a testimonial or a something that I've grabbed out of one of the session, let's just pop this in here. When you actually highlight it, there's a little box down the side to bring it in, and then you can edit it again. I'm going to choose a center position, and we'll just pop that link in as well. Open in the new tab, and there you go. So that is it. You can even send a preview to your email address if you want to, just to have a look at it. But otherwise, update, and you can scroll back up and keep adding your extra emails in here. So it's pretty cool. One little thing that Birdsend does have that I haven't seen on any other autoresponder is this resend function. So I probably wouldn't worry about it. We've got the resend going out on the first email. I'll just quickly open that up and show you. So it's saying that if somebody didn't open this email within 2 days, then you're actually going to, Birdsend is going to send it out again, which is very, very cool. So I wouldn't bother too much about doing resend on your first few storytelling emails, but once you get into the emails that are providing different content and different videos, definitely want to look at doing a resend from there. So again, just click on the new email and just keep adding them in, and it'll show up saying 1 day after previous as you click the new one to go. Let's just go over there and have a quick look. Yep, it's got the 1 day there again. You can choose that to be more spread out if you want it to be. But super easy, and yeah, that's it. We'll see you in another video.